everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Crystal and this is Crystal Cleans. Today's video is going to be my weekly cleaning routine, and I'm just going to kind of go over what I do in addition to my daily routine. This is kind of what I do on a weekly basis. Every day specifically, I spend a little more time in each room. So Mondays is the master bedroom, and so I usually clean the bathroom really well on this day, and then just kind of pick up, and if anything needs decluttered or organized or laundry needs put away, then I'll do that on Monday. And then what I'm using in here is I just spray down the whole shower with the Method foaming bathroom cleaner, and then I used a magic eraser and I just scrubbed over all of the tile, and then I also did that to the glass on the inside, and then on the outside I'm just using a glass cleaner. And then for inside the toilet, I always use anything that has bleach in it. And then for the outside, I'll use the Method antibacterial spray, and I will just spray down the whole toilet, let it sit for a little while, and then I just wipe it clean. So on a daily basis, I usually just make the beds. I'll wipe down anything if it needs wiped down. If I need to vacuum, I'll go ahead and do that. But on the weekly basis, I try to just clean the bathroom and kind of organize or declutter one thing. And this day I just had some laundry I needed to put away and hang up, so I just went ahead and did that. And that was it for the master bedroom on Monday. So Tuesdays is the girls' room, and I wanted to start in here by vacuuming the ceiling fans because they were pretty dusty. And then I will just wipe down everything and vacuum. If the girls' sheets needed cleaned, I would have stripped their bed today and did them. They didn't need them today, so I just wanted to wipe down everything quickly and vacuum, and that was pretty much it in the girls' room. This is like a little flameless candle, and I noticed it wasn't working, so I'm just changing the batteries. And to kind of wipe down everything, I'm just using the Mrs. Meyer's in the apple cider scent and a microfiber cloth. And Wednesdays is Wyatt's room, and again I'm just starting with his ceiling fan. His wasn't that dusty, so I just used a little duster instead of the vacuum. And then I just went around his room and got any kind of cobwebs or anything that I saw. And then again in his room I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's in the apple cider scent to just wipe down everything. And now this is typically my Thursday routine, but because Wyatt's room didn't take me that long, I just went ahead and did it on Wednesday. And what I use in here is the Method foaming bathroom cleaner. I spray down the whole bathtub, I spray down the whole toilet, and I kind of use something a little stronger in this bathroom for the toilets just because this bathroom gets a lot more use than our master bathroom does. And full disclaimer, this toilet gets wiped down at least once a day with Clorox wipes because having a little boy that uses this bathroom, God bless him, his aim has gotten a lot better, but I still need to wipe down this toilet at least once a day with Clorox wipes. And now moving on to Friday. Friday is usually my catch-up day. Anything that needed to get done throughout the week that I wasn't able to get to, I usually tackle. And today was mopping the kitchen floor. I've been wanting to do it all week, never got around to it. So today I am going to mop the kitchen floor. And then I also have some laundry I need to get caught up on. So I go ahead and take care of that also on Friday. So that's kind of just my weekly routine. That's what I do on top of my daily schedule. And then on the weekend, I just try to keep the house tidy and put together. I don't stress about it too much. And then Sunday, we just kind of use that day as a rest day. And then Monday, I'm right back to it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some cleaning motivation from this. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.